The ages in years of a family are shown. Davy 47, Ellie 21, Fergus 18, Gelly 44, Harley 10, Ivy 25. So these are the ages of the members of the family. Then the actual question is, what is the range of the ages? What is the range of the ages? Okay, so what we need to understand to answer this question, I'm sure I'm able to see the question. We are talking about this question here. What is the range of the ages? So we need to understand that the range is the stretch of the given items from the lowest to the highest, or from the highest to the lowest. The gap in between these two, the lowest and the highest, that is the range. Okay, so for us to know exactly the range of these years or ages given, let's try to arrange these terms in descending order. We start with the biggest and go end with the smallest. This will be easier for us to even to identify the bigger number and the smallest number. So we have got the biggest number among the ages given is 47. Okay, then comma, then the second biggest is 44 for Gelly, it's 47 for Davy, 44 for Gelly, and then the third largest number is 25 for Ivy. Then we have got 21 for Ellie, and 18 for Fergus, 10 for Ari as the lowest. Okay, so you can still count these numbers for you to be sure if you have copied everything. So you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 ages of copied there. Let's check if there are 6 there on top. So we have got, I'll start from the right side, which is we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are also 6. That means we have copied everything and it's done correctly. So we can see that our numbers down here in red, they are not jumbled. They are following each other in descending order. Okay, so now we said that the range is the gap between the biggest number and the smallest number, or yes, the just the difference between the smallest and the bigger number. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 10 from 47. So we're going to say 47 minus 10 will give us 37. Okay, 37, that is the range of the ages given. So we're going to say 37 years is the range. Okay, that is the answer, and that's how you go about it. Question 9b is as follows, and the question is here. 9b is here. What is the mean age? What is the mean age? Okay, so first of all, what you need to understand by the word mean, mean also means average. Okay, means easy, also average. Okay, so let's, if you are conversant with mean, use mean. But if you are conversant with average, whenever I say mean, replace average, replace mean with the average, because these are synonyms. They say the same thing. Okay, so now we want to find the average of the ages. Okay, to find the average of the ages, what we're going to do is we are going to add these numbers. When we add them, we will now divide them by the number of items. Now we realize that these items, there are 6. There are 6 items here. So we'll come up with an expression which will have a divisor as 6. So first of all, we are going to add these. So we're going to say 47 plus 21, never mind about their order, plus 18 plus 44 plus 10 plus 25, and the whole of that divided by 6, which should give us the sum. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go on to our calculator and then punch in those numbers. So I've got 47 plus 21 plus 18 plus 44 plus 10 plus 25 plus, which should give us, or let me say, equal to, sorry, what have I done? The answer is 165, but I'll go through again so that you follow me well. It is 47 plus 21 plus 18 plus 44 plus 10 plus 25 equals, that is 165. 165 is our sum. Then we say divide by 6. So we say equal to, then we go again back to our calculator and say 165 divided by 6, which will give us 27.5 as the average or the mean age of the years. So 27.5 years is the average age of the ages given. Okay, so that is the correct answer, 27.5. Question 9C is what was the mean age of the family 2 years ago? The question is here, what was the mean age of the family 2 years ago? Okay, so there are 3 ways you can do this, if not even 4. There are 3 ways you can do this. The first one is the simplest. What you need to do is, the first method is you just get the same mean age you got. We got 27. So our mean age we got at first was 27.5. Then we subtract just 2 years from that, which will give us 25.5 years. Okay, and that is the correct answer, 25.5. And that is the easiest method. The other one is where you subtract 2 years to every number. Okay, so you say 47 minus 2 will give us 45 years, and this one will give us 19 years, sorry. 21 minus 2 will give us 19 years. This one will give us 16. This one will give us 42. Sorry, this one will give us 42. This one will give us 8 years, and this one will give us 23. And these, and then we can still go on the calculator and punch these numbers. So we have got 45 plus 19 plus 16 plus 42 plus 8 plus 23 equals, then the whole of that divide by 6, okay, which will give us 25.5. Okay, you can see that the answer I've gotten on the calculator is the same answer I've gotten here, which you have written. Okay, then the second one, we still use the calculator. We are going to say the second one is, first we found that the total number of years is 165, then minus 12 equals, then divide by 6, which will give us 25.5. So these are basically 3 methods that you can use. Okay, so whichever method you use, you are going to get the answer correct. Okay, so I don't know if you have got questions. If you don't have questions, that is how you can solve it. And this one, as you can see, this is the easiest and the most simpler one. Okay, so you subtract the number of years said in the statement. So these are the number of years that we are told is 2. That's the one we subtracted from the mean of the ages. So basically that's what you do. If you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share this video so that also it can reach other people. Remember, sharing is caring. Thank you so much.